How to use extension to collect bookmarks. First, we need to install the extension from Chrome Web Store. Then, we can pin the extension icon and click it to collect a current website. On the first time, it will show we are not logging, so we click the Login button. And in Extension Options page, we click Login again. After login success, we can close the page. And back to the Extension Options page, we can see that we have logged in now. Now click the Refresh button to refresh login info. And it changes to collecting bookmark. After collected, it will show the bookmark information, such as the target page and category. We can click the item to navigate to the Details page. We can change the target page, category or title, description if you like, and click Submit to update. We can also click the Batch button to enter Batch Collect page. It will show all the opened tab rows. We can collect multiple bookmarks easily. You can collect, cancel, collect, or remove an item to keep it unchanged. And finally, we can see the result is our newly collected bookmark. That's all. Thank you.